Mostly clear to start your day tomorrow, 56 degrees, which is just about where we started this morning, though it will be a little bit cooler inland, 72 degrees at noon, 74 degrees at 5 o'clock. I think we will have a few clouds in the afternoon, but it's still going to be a dry day with this drier air getting ready to move in. This is the water vapor imagery showing us that drier air at the upper levels, which is going to gradually be moving in by late day tomorrow, and the atmosphere will get a little bit drier close to the surface too. We're just getting a couple of bumps down as far as the temperatures and the humidity go. It's going to be the case over the next 5 days. As we take a look at the computer models, you still see that north to northeasterly wind, and when you have a north to northeasterly wind, it usually means the air is going to be relatively dry. Here are the clouds that may be associated with that very weak front moving into southwest Florida tomorrow afternoon. They're not going to produce any rain by any stretch of the imagination. And then as we get to the beginning of the weekend, we're actually going to be tracking a slightly more significant cool front. High pressure building in throughout the later portion of the week. Here comes the next cool front. Is it going to get here? Looks like it will. Probably sometime late Saturday. You can see some of the clouds associated with it. So a few more clouds in the forecast on Saturday, and then our mornings again get a little bit of a bump down as we get to the end of the weekend. In the tropics, there's nothing that the National Hurricane Center is watching. A little flare up here in the Caribbean, strong upper level winds in the central Atlantic. No tropical activity expected over the next few days. Travel still looking good for the eastern two-thirds of the country. The only place where we could have a couple of flight delays as far as airports go, Chicago, Indianapolis, and even that chance is only moderate. Pacific Northwest is where we're going to have the flight delays, I think, on this Wednesday before Thanksgiving. 52 in LaBelle, 53 in Lakeport, 52 in Clewiston, a little bit of patchy fog east of I-75, not a big deal due to the breeze. 55 in Port Charlotte, 59 to start your day on Boca Grande. We'll be at 59 on Captiva, 54 first thing in the morning in Lehigh Acres. Comfortably cool in Golden Gate with that 55-degree reading. 57 in downtown Naples. We'll have a northerly wind for the boater at about 10 to 15 knots. It will be increasing in the afternoon. Seas anywhere from 2 to 3 feet. Moderate chop expected on the bay and in the waters. Mostly sunny in the morning, then partly cloudy in the afternoon tomorrow. And you'll notice the mornings getting a few degrees cooler. Boy, that's a minor cool down, but it's a cool down nonetheless. 53 to start your day on Thanksgiving, 74 in the afternoon. Then the coolest morning going to be Friday morning as we get down to 52. Then that second front arrives late Saturday, and you'll notice Sunday morning, a couple of degrees cooler. And the coolest morning actually is going to be Monday morning with a 51-degree reading. That's a look at your Storm Patrol forecast.